has asked me to help her fold the laundry, so I will help her by folding some shirts. Now that we've made our shirt folding board, folding my and my family's shirts will be a piece of cake. Let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to hold up the shirt, but we want the design to be facing us. Then we can just lay the shirt down with the collar closest to us. Now we can begin to fold it. We're going to take the side panels and we're going to fold them in. Make sure to do both of them. Then we take the one that's closest to us and fold up. Now we have our shirt. Let's try it again. We have the front facing us. We lay it down with the collar closest. Fold the outside panels in. And then up. We have another shirt. Front side facing us. Flip down. Look, the collar is facing me. The sides. And then up. Let's try it one more time. Let's get our shirt ready. We have our shirt with the design facing me. Then we're going to flip it down, the collar closest. Take the two side panels together, flip them over, second one, perfect. Now we're going to take the panel closest to us and flip it over, and then there you have it, some shirts. Good job!